Hi, hello viewers, it's Smile a Minute IAS Academy, and today we are going to discuss our constitution. Actually, our constitution is borrowed from many other constitution also. Before writing our constitution, we have seen many constitution and we have came to a conclusion about how to write our constitution. So, we have borrowed some features from other constitution also. We can see those features now. So, first is we had Government of India Act, right? So we had Government of India Act 1935. We borrowed 60% of it. So we borrowed 60% of it. This is from Britain. British is the one which imposed Government of India Act, right? Then from British itself, these are the things from British. So from British itself, we have borrowed parliamentary form of government. So parliamentary form of government is also borrowed from British, and then rule of law. Rule of law and single citizenship. In India, we have only single citizenship. There is no separate citizenship for state as well as center. We have common citizenship for state as well as center. We have single citizenship, and we cannot have a two citizenship. We cannot have citizenship of a two country. So this single citizenship concept is also borrowed from British. So these are the concepts which we have borrowed from British. Apart from that, USSR. USSR is nothing but the current day Russia. From USSR, we have borrowed our fundamental duties. So, fundamental duties which we have added later, part 4A, is borrowed from USSR. And concept of justice, and the concept of justice, social, economic and political justice, is also borrowed from USSR. And from Australia. From Australia, we have borrowed concurrent list. We have concurrent list in which both state as well as center can enact laws, right? We have center. For center, we have list. We have for state, we have list. And then we have another one list called concurrent list, in which both state and center can enact laws. And that concurrent list is borrowed from Australian constitution. And from Ireland also we have borrowed some important things, and that is directive principles of state policy. Directive principle as of state policy, as well as the method of election of the president. Method of election of president, both is borrowed from Ireland and from US. And from US only we have borrowed fundamental rights. Fundamental duties is borrowed from Russia, whereas fundamental right is borrowed from USA. And preamble of the constitution is borrowed from US only. Preamble. And independent judiciary as well as vice president concept is also borrowed from US. So we have independent judiciary. In India, we have integrated judiciary also, as well as independent judiciary, which is borrowed from US. And we have vice president and impeachment of president. Vice president as well as impeachment of president. All this is borrowed from US. Impeachment of president. These are the things which we have borrowed from US. We have seen Australia, Ireland. Apart from that, we have borrowed from Japan also. From Japan. So, from Japan, we have borrowed procedure established by law. And we have borrowed certain things from Germany also. Germany have Weimar Constitution. So, from that Weimar Constitution, Germany, we have borrowed suspension of fundamental right during emergency. So in India, during emergency period, we can suspend our fundamental rights. So suspension of fundamental right during emergency is a concept which is in Germany constitution. We have borrowed that feature to our constitution also. Then from Canada also we have borrowed certain constitution, and that is strong center with weak state. In US it will have a strong state with weak center, but in Canada they have strong center with weak state. This is one which is borrowed to India, which means in India center will have more power compared to that of state, whereas in USA states will hold more power compared to that of center. But this feature is in Canadian constitution. We have borrowed this feature. In India also we have strong center, but we have weak state. So these are the things which we have borrowed. And apart from that, we have borrowed certain things from France. From France, we have borrowed concept of republic, liberty, equality, and fraternity. So these are the things which you will see in preamble. So we have the concept of republic, liberty, equality and fraternity. This is borrowed from France. So these are the things which we have borrowed from our other countries. So let us see this again. So first is British. From British we have borrowed Government of India Act 1935. We have borrowed 60% of it. Then parliamentary form of government is also borrowed from British. Then rule of law and single citizenship are the concepts of British which we have borrowed. Then from USSR we have borrowed the fundamental duties. So the fundamental duties are in USSR constitution. We have borrowed it from them, and they have the concept of justice, social justice, economic justice and political justice. We have borrowed that. And from Australia we have borrowed the concurrent list. We have state list, union list as well as concurrent list in which both center as well as state can enact laws. So we have borrowed that from Australia. And from Ireland we have borrowed directive principles of state policy. Directive principles of state policy is not justiciable. It gives directions to how the state can run the government. So it is borrowed from Ireland. And the election of the president is also borrowed from the Ireland constitution. And then we have US. From US only we have borrowed fundamental rights, whereas fundamental duty is borrowed from Russia. Then preamble concept is also from US. Independent judiciary is also from US. And vice president and impeachment of president, all this is borrowed from US. Then sixth one is Japan. From Japan we have borrowed procedure established by law. And from Germany, one important thing, suspension of fundamental right during emergency. During emergency period in India, they can suspend our fundamental rights, which is borrowed from Germany constitution. Germany constitution is the Weimar constitution. Weimar constitution is the constitution of Germany. Then from Canada, Canada has the concept of strong center with weak state. This is the one which is followed in India also. But in US, they have a strong state. States will hold more power compared to that of center. But in India, centers will hold more power compared to that of state, which is followed in Canada. Then from 9, the concept of republic, liberty, equality and fraternity is borrowed from France. These are the things which we have borrowed from other countries. So these are the things relating to this. Subscribe to Mile Minute IAS Academy. Thank you.